Namaste. My name is Nikhilesh and I teach artificial intelligence and large language models to senior IT professionals. So in this video, we'll make an LLM based order bot. So this order bot basically can take order on your website. It can provide details to the user and basically it can take order and it can process with the payment. So let me first show you the demo. So we have done this that hello how, so basically bot is saying hello, how can I assist you today? Let me say hi. So again it has said hello, how can I assist you today? So basically I have created this bot for my courses and I've specified details for those courses. So let me ask what courses are available with you. So it's saying that we offer the following courses: AI plus LLM for senior IT professionals with 10 plus years of experience, and the price is this much. And let me, okay, how, or say what is the duration of the course? So in the duration of the courses we offer are as follows. With this it's 3 months, and for another course it's 5 months. So this is what we have done. Now if we ask any other question, let's say if I ask what is the recipe of paneer butter masala, then it should not answer this question. So it's saying no, I'm not able to assist you with that. So it will only answer from the context that I have provided. It will not answer any other question. So this is the bot. Let's say if I say okay, how can we proceed? So we say to proceed, we can finalize your order based on the courses. Could you please let us know which course you are interested in, and if you have any specific preference or questions about the courses. Once we have your order details, we can proceed with the payment and an additional information you may need. So this is what this order bot can do. Now let's build this course. Let's build this order bot. Let me tell you step by step. So first, we'll install OpenAI. We'll be using OpenAI's model, and then we'll install Jupyter Bokeh. Jupyter Bokeh is nothing but to create that chat widget that I saw you. So it will help. We will use that. We will use Jupyter Bokeh to build that small chat widget inside the Colab notebook or Jupyter notebook. And then let's import OS. OS is to basically use any functionality related to operating system, and then let's import OpenAI. So we'll be needing OpenAI API key. You can use your key and then you can add your OpenAPI key here, and then you need to add the variable, and then this the same variable you need to give it here. So if you see now, then we are basically from Google Colab we are importing user data. And what is user data? This OpenAPI key. So just remember that this variable should match with this variable. Okay, so now, so there are two things here in this we'll do. First, we'll provide our data which LLM or OpenAI's model will refer. That's one. Second, how can we chat with that data? So one is basically we can send the user request to the LLM using an API and it can generate the answer. Now that's one time activity. But here we are chatting with the model. So one way, we know that using LangChain, and if we use LangChain's memory component, we can actually store that memory and we can chat with the model. Here we are not using LangChain, so how can we do that? So let's see that. So now we have created two functions. So one is your get completion function, where we are passing the prompt, we are passing the model id, we are specifying the role, which is user, and the content would be the prompt that will pass, and then we'll generate the response. Model is the same, and we'll pass the message. Temperature is, we are keeping it 0 because we don't want any creative answer to be generated. We just want model to refer to the to the content and give us the answer. And second, we have created this function called get completion from message. Here we'll pass all the messages that have generated so far. So now it will take all the messages. So now model has context that, based on this, what was the conversation history going on. So in this function, you can see we are passing the messages instead of just the prompt. And then we are using the same model, GPT 3.5 Turbo. And here we are saying, we are through this function, basically we can converse with the model or your chatbot. Now then we'll basically build the small widget that I showed you, which will be used for chatting within the Google Colab. So this is the chat widget. Now comes this interesting part, that now we are providing the context to the model. Let me show you that. So if you see here now, so what I'm in the prompt itself, I'm giving all the context. So now we have lots of sophisticated model like RAG, where we can pass the content in a PDF. We can also use AI agent, where it can access our website. This was just a basic chatbot or an order bot, where we are providing the context here as well. If you are familiar with RAG and all, then you might not have to worry about this thing. This is just for beginners, a very basic tutorial who are just starting out. So now if you see, you are an order bot, an automated service to collect interest for AI and generative AI coaching and mentoring. You always respond in first person as we when talking about the company. Your task is to give helpful answers to the user's questions. You always keep your answers small and concise, and break down the large answers into small and easy to read paragraphs. Right? You should answer only from the information given below. So that's the prompt that we have written. If you cannot answer from the information, say exactly I am not, and stop saying anything after that. Refuse to answer any question not about the info below. Never break character. So this is what we have very specifically written, and that's why model actually followed the same character. So when we asked what is the recipe for paneer butter masala, it refused to answer that question. You first greet the customer and then takes the order. So you saw it has basically greeted us, and then started giving us the information, and then ask how much years of experience the customer has, because I've specified that my courses are based on experience. So it will ask. So if we ask, it will also specify the customer name. You wait to collect the entire order, then summarize it and check for a final time if the customer wants to add anything else. Finally, you collect the payment. Make sure to clarify all options uniquely. Identify the item from the menu. You respond in a short, very conversational, friendly style. So now the menu includes, just for this is not our actual courses, but I've just given that one course is for 10 plus years of experience, another course is for 0 to 10 years of experience, and then there is an option to customize the course for $66 per hour. And time duration, I've given the first course is of 3 months, the second course is of 5 months, and then I'm saying that for customized course, it depends on the content. The prerequisite for taking these courses is Python. So this is what I have given the prompt. So, and I've given all the information. The thing is that now when you ask this question, every time this prompt will go and it will cost you money. So this is not a right way to do this. There are better ways to build an order bot or an chat bot. but this is just for beginners to see without going deep into RAG and AI agents. How can we build a basic order bot? So now if you see, we have this thing. So now it's saying, how can I assist you today? Now let me ask, what courses are available with you? So I'm saying, how can we assist you further? So I'm saying, let's go ahead. It's a great choice. How many years of experience do you have in IT? So let me say I have 12 years. So he's saying fantastic. So for someone with 12 years of experience, you qualify for AI plus LLM course for senior IT professionals. Is there anything else you would like to add or ask before you proceed with the payment? I'll say no, I am fine. So he's saying perfect. Let's proceed with the payment for AI plus LLM course for senior professionals with 10 years of experience at 795 USD. Thank you for choosing our course. So now this is the thing. So now once I say okay, now it will basically, I have not added the payment link, but then it will give you the payment link. You can make the payment and then it will be done. So basically this is an order bot which we have created. So I hope you like the video. This was a very basic chatbot. I'll be creating more sophisticated LLM applications in future. So please follow me. Thanks for watching.